Today I am going to be opening this lighting set that I got to film with. My house is very dark, as you can see. The lighting in here is not great. Everywhere in my house is horrible with lighting. So I finally got myself this really big light to make videos with. Let's check it out. Oh, also, if you don't have one of these, this is a little cloud cutter. It's really amazing. It helps me open all of my boxes since I get a lot of products in the mail. I don't like struggling with opening the boxes, so this thing was really nice. See how easy it is to open that? All right, first thing is how to install. I really like that because I am a visual learner, so instructions with how to do it like this is amazing. So far 10 out of 10. This is what we're opening up today, the lighting kit. Softbox lighting kit. All right. So it looks like it comes with a bag. That's nice. I just had to order a bag with my camera because my camera didn't come with a bag. So this is really cool that it came with a bag. Two other boxes in here. We got 1, 2, and what's this? Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. I did not think it was this big. So far I am shocked. Looks huge, which is a plus. I'm very happy about that. Whoa. All right, so this is going to go on the bottom. This is the stand. So it looks like you can tighten it at the bottom here. It's just twisties. And then it looks like you can untwist it here and then make it higher. Oh my goodness, this is great. I'm so excited. Light. Remote. Super cute. Little remote. It says to open the Softbox, which is this, and install the bulb. So we're going to install the bulb. We're going to install the bulb in here. All right. Attach the Softbox to the tripod stand. It looks like you put this part from the Softbox onto this tripod end. You have to undo this just a little bit to let it in. So lefty-loosey it, put it in, and then righty-tighty. Right here is where you're going to be able to maneuver the light upwards or downwards. I'm going to just twist it here. I like the height here. And now it says to install the cover. All right. The plug is pretty long, so I'm going to plug it in and we'll see how bright it is. It's a very long extension here, so that's really good to know. All right, moment of truth. Wow, look at that. It's not working. I'm not really sure what it is. I'm not sure if it's my batteries, but I will have to check on more batteries for now. It does go up in brightness. It goes to warm and cold. And you can also lower the brightness. So I will check back with y'all on the remote situation. But so far, all you can do on the stick is turn it on and off. So if you want to control it without the remote, you can put it on and off. It will change colors if you just keep turning it on and off. It will go brighter and it will go warm. So that's pretty cool. You can control it from the actual stick or the remote. If you like this review, please like and subscribe and follow me for more reviews just like this. Thank you.